Hi, in this video, we're going to learn how to multiply two-digit numbers. So our first step is to align the numbers vertically so that the place values are together. So the ones places are on top of each other, the tens places are on top of each other. After that, we're going to multiply the ones digit of the bottom number by each digit in the top number. Then we're going to place a 0 as a placeholder in the ones place of the next line down. And after that, we'll be able to multiply the tens digit of the bottom number by each digit of the top number. Once we have these two values, we're going to then add them together to get our final answer. Let's put this into practice. So let's say I want to multiply 21 and 15. I'm going to start by aligning these vertically. So I put the 21 on top, the 15 on bottom. Notice that the 1 and 5 align because they're both in the ones place, and the 1 and 2 align because they are in the tens place. So now I'm going to multiply the ones digit of the bottom number by each digit in the top number. So I'm going to start by doing 5 times 1, which is 5, and then I can do 5 times 2, which is 10. Now that I've done that step, I'm going to write 0 as a placeholder in the ones place of the next line. Now I look at my tens place. My tens place on the bottom number is the 1. I'm going to multiply that by each digit in the top. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. That means all I have to do now is add down. That's going to give me 315. So at the end of all of this, I can say 21 times 15 equals 315. Let's try a second problem. Let's say I want to multiply 34 and 72. I still need to align these vertically. So 34 is on top, 72 is on the bottom. Now I want to multiply the ones digit of 72 by each digit in 34. So that's 2 times 4, which is 8, and 2 times 3, which is 6. Now I can put my 0 as a placeholder in the ones place on the next line. And I'm going to now be able to multiply the tens digit, or the 7, by each digit in the top number 34. So I'll start with 7 times 4. Now, 7 times 4 is 28. So I write down my 8, but then I also have to carry the 2. Anytime you have two digits after you've multiplied, you carry the next number over. So you'll notice that I'm going to write it really little on top of my 3. Because now I'm going to do 7 times 3 is 21. And I add that 2 that was already there, which gives me 23. So again, I do 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23. And that's what I now write down below. Now I'm going to add down my two values, give me 2,448. So my final answer is 34 times 72 equals 2,448. And that's how you multiply two-digit numbers.